Good morning, viewers and vloggers. Today is Sunday, May 8th, 2016, and it is otherwise known by the majority of my viewers as Mother's Day. We're hoping because of the holiday that there's not going to be a lot of people where we're going. Where are we going? To IKEA. So, come along with us. I hope that you enjoy your time watching us discover IKEA. Alright, bye-bye. Well, come along. We are here. We are in the market for a bookshelf. I think the coolest part about IKEA is the way they have these display rooms, so you can kind of like picture how your house is gonna look, like as if I'm gonna build a house from the ground up. But if I did, I can imagine how it would look. This is where we came from. I love this setup. Stuffed animal heaven. Oh, that one has a tent on top of the bed. Oh, that's so cute. So IKEA has little rooms for breastfeeding. Just close the curtain. This is called a baby care room. I really love this concept. Every store should have this. So this is their cafeteria. You grab a little buggy for your trays. This is where all the food is displayed up here. And the prices are pretty cheap. This is our cart. Yum. While we're still eating, Clara's playing. This is their warehouse section. The self-serve furniture. You just pick it up and you put it on one of those carts and you buy it. So the main reason why we went to IKEA today was to get a bookshelf. We didn't get a bookshelf. I don't know why. It was a little bit confusing in there because they have all these prices on everything in won, which is pretty easy to figure out in a USD. But it was just the fact that we didn't know where to purchase any of this. And we would forget what we wanted, and it was just like kind of confusing in a way. But we did end up getting some small little goodies, and I will show you that now. So I got these cute little gender neutral colored rattles for the baby. This cute pillow. And Christopher got this cool hedgehog pillow. Then we got two of these cute little lanterns with vanilla scented candles and lavender scented candles. Well, that was our little IKEA haul and video. I hope that you had a fun day with us, and we'll probably be going back next weekend to actually accomplish what we didn't today. I did get inspired to make a reading nook, so that'll be pretty fun. I'll probably search their website and just kind of browse around maybe get some stuff off there and whatnot. I wish I could decorate our porch, but with the wind and then mosquitoes and all sorts of different things, probably best not to decorate a porch really nicely when you can't enjoy it. So maybe that's something we'll have to do when we get back to America. But anyway, like I said, I hope you had fun today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.